Are your Escort radar detector settings constantly reverting to factory defaults? You're not alone. This affects user-configured preferences like sensitivity levels, alert tones, or band-specific settings. The issue stems from memory-related problems such as volatile memory loss or software bugs. The memory fix involves firmware updates, hardware improvements, and user workarounds designed to ensure settings are retained. The core of the problem lies in memory types used by radar detectors. Early Escort models used volatile RAM, which loses data when power is interrupted. This comparison shows how volatile memory like RAM loses its contents when power is turned off, while non-volatile memory retains data even during power interruptions. Modern detectors use non-volatile memory like EEPROM or flash memory, which retains data even without power. This is a key difference that prevents settings from resetting. Flash memory, used in modern detectors, has a layered structure including control gates and floating gates that trap electrons to store data permanently. This compares different types of programmable non-volatile memory, including EEPROM, which Escort detectors use for reliable settings storage. This shows how non-volatile memory encompasses long-term storage solutions, ensuring data persistence in devices like radar detectors. If your older detector is constantly resetting, the volatile memory may be failing. Understanding these memory types explains why firmware updates are crucial for fixing this issue. The primary solution to prevent your Escort radar detector settings from resetting is to update its firmware. These updates reprogram the radar detector to automatically save settings periodically, such as every 30 seconds. Settings are saved to non-volatile memory and restored upon boot up, preventing loss from power interruptions or battery drains. This automatic saving happens periodically, ensuring your custom settings are always protected. These firmware updates are typically available through Escort's website or mobile app. Make sure your specific model has the latest firmware installed to ensure optimal memory retention. To check your current firmware version, navigate to the Settings menu on your radar detector. Look for an option like System Info or About, where the firmware version is displayed. Next, visit Escort's official website. Navigate to the Support section and find the page dedicated to your radar detector model. Here you'll find the latest firmware updates and instructions. Download the latest firmware file from the support page. Carefully follow the step-by-step instructions provided by Escort to install the update on your detector. For newer Escort models, firmware updates can be performed wirelessly using the official Escort mobile app. Connect your detector to the app and check for updates directly. Remember to keep your radar detector connected to a stable power source during the update process to prevent any interruptions that could cause issues. Besides firmware updates, other factors can also cause Escort radar detector settings to reset automatically. Let's explore the main environmental and power-related triggers. One common cause is deep battery drains. When the battery is completely depleted, it can lead to loss of volatile memory, causing your settings to revert to factory defaults. Extreme temperatures are another culprit. Cold below 10 degrees Celsius or heat above 50 degrees Celsius can affect the memory chips, leading to automatic resets. Avoid exposing your detector to such conditions. Conflicts with GPS modules can also cause issues. Software glitches in the GPS integration may corrupt the memory, resulting in unexpected resets. To prevent these issues, make sure your detector has a stable power supply, is not exposed to extreme temperatures, and you avoid using third-party accessories that could interfere with the memory modules. Let's examine real-world examples of how Escort successfully fixed memory reset issues in their radar detectors. A notable case is the Escort Passport 9500iX, released between 2018 and 2021. Users frequently experience settings resetting to factory defaults, causing frustration during drives. The root cause was a firmware bug that affected how settings were stored and retrieved in memory. Escort addressed this with their v1.4 firmware update, which introduced memory checksums to verify data integrity and prevent corruption. This fix resulted in an 85% reduction in user complaints reported on forums. Another successful example is the Escort Max 360, launched in 2024. During beta testing, about 5% of units experienced settings resets, particularly during highway driving, where the detector's memory struggled to retain configurations under varying conditions. Escort responded quickly with a rapid patch that strengthened memory safeguards and offered free replacements for beta testers affected by the issue. This proactive approach nearly eliminated reset occurrences in the final production models, as confirmed by Consumer Reports testing. These examples clearly demonstrate the effectiveness of Escort's proactive memory engineering, turning common problems into reliable solutions through targeted firmware updates and user support. Looking ahead, radar detectors are evolving into smart mobility assistants, with memory fixes becoming seamless and integrated into everyday driving. Future models will incorporate quantum-resistant memory to protect against electromagnetic interference from emerging technologies like advanced radar systems. To prevent resets and extend your device's life, perform regular firmware updates through Escort's app or website, and store your detector properly in moderate temperatures away from extreme conditions.